And it's up with the bonnets, a bonny Dundee. A pleasant half hour, watching swifts in the sunset as the jackdaws caw. And it was very picturesque, as Hilda Ogden would probably have said. And it had a nice wee bit of lenticularis as well, and wee patches of rain coming in. That's foreshadowing tomorrow. Supposed to be raining tomorrow. And my cold's getting better, so that was me happy. Lord's a convention, 'twas clever how spoken. If you think I can remember the rest of the words, you're having a joke. But it's not easy to think of a rhyme off the cuff. But I'll just have to try, 'cause it'll just sound too duff. That'll do.